Hello and welcome to Restaurant Jordnaer. My name is Erik Wilgaard. It's my restaurant together with my wife. I'm gonna plate for you our langoustine broth with langoustine tartare and bitter herbs. So this is small nasturtiums. We punch them out with a puncher to give a little bit of pepper to this sweet langoustine broth, which we gelled with a little bit of gelatin. So it has these aromatic flavors of vanilla and cognac. So to underline that with a little bit of pepper. Then we have chickweed from the forest out here next to us. So we forage every morning our herbs, and we go to our garden and pick the rest of them. Now we're lucky for the season. It's still a little warm, even though we are in January. So there is still a little bit of herbs out there. So a little bit of bee plum flowers, sweet tasting like honey, gives a little bit of bitterness as well, like this bittersweet like the rest of the dishes. So this adds just a little bit of very good flavor. We don't put any herbs on a dish if they don't contribute to anything for the flavor. We always use no noise on the line kind of principle with all our dishes. They might look pretty, but they're not built to just be pretty, they are built to be tasty. So which you will experience later in the menu here. Then the last herb we put on is our leek flower. So from the leeks, the sprout on top, we take them, we cut them off, we put them here to give a little bit of like onion flavor, but without being harsh. So these one are very sweet as well.